Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fix LinkedIn verification problem. First of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and make sure to search for LinkedIn, okay? Afterwards, you're going to double check if LinkedIn needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it so you can update your security. The second way to fix that problem, you're going to check your internet connection. Swipe down to your control center from your battery at the top right. If your phone is in English, you're going to see it at the top right, obviously. But if your phone is in any other language, you may see the control center on your left. So make sure to switch to a different Wi-Fi connection or switch to cellular data if needed. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the settings. And then click the general right here under the battery. And then we're going to go to the iPhone storage. We're gonna wait for a few moments, right, and try to pin down LinkedIn. Okay, as you can see, this is LinkedIn. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna offload the app and double click to offload the app and reinstall it once again, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, lastly, you're gonna just go ahead and hold the LinkedIn app, and then you're gonna see remove app button. Just go ahead and hit remove and double click to remove LinkedIn app and reinstall it once again from your App Store or your Google Play, and that will add another layer of protection if there is any extra data or any other problem with LinkedIn. Now it will be fixed because you forced LinkedIn to update their features or their basically their interface or any other problem they may have. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.